Hello everybody. I'm sitting in a little restaurant just down the street from the courthouse. It's gotten really bad outside for the weather. So we stopped to grab a bite to eat, and I'll try to do a little quick update here of what happened at court. We went in before Judge Brown at about 3 o'clock there, and the judge denied the motion for the prosecution to extend the trial till April. So we are now officially going to have a trial February 14th for the 7 defendants here. The prosecution has turned over some more evidence to the grand jury. The grand jury is deliberating about indicting Dwayne Emmer on another felony charge, and so we didn't really get good news today on that kind of stuff, but so they're going to press forward with some new charges on the defendants, and we're going to move forward on getting all the juror members in, and and having trial on February 14th. So that's about all we have right now. We just know that the government is going to proceed, and we're going to have trial on the 14th of February here in Portland, Oregon. It's snow outside. I don't know if you can see it. It's nothing like Montana, but the people here in Portland don't know how to drive in it, so we're giving them a little bit of time to get off the roads, and then we're going to go on back to where I'm staying. We're going to grab a bite to eat. Would you like to say anything, David?
I don't know anything to say. Just a cold day on the corner, barbecuing hot dogs and feeding everybody that come along. That's about my extent of the day.
We filed some papers for you today.
Oh yeah, John took in a default notice, judgment notice against Judge Anna Brown, who failed to prosecute my violation notices I got from the front porch, or refute any of the various ways that I declared that she was doing treason against myself, his church, and his state. And the clerk that he took it to said, "I don't know what that is. I don't want it." And he said, "It's too bad. You don't have to know what it is. Give it to the judge. She'll figure it out." So that was kind of cool. So I'm all ready for my next Fed encounter. Also did get a chance to talk with officer and told him that we just served default notice, and told him if he gets a chance he should grab a copy of that first paper I gave her. It was a really cool one. Told him it'd probably take him about 2 weeks and a Bible to figure out what it said, but he said, "Hey, I'm going to go see if I can find a copy, maybe even get it framed."
So after court, I decided Brother David there asked me to serve some papers on the judge Anna Brown for him. So I went up to the clerk's office and took these papers up there, and I said, "Here, I'm serving Judge Anna Brown with these papers." And the clerk told me, "Well, I don't understand what they're for. I don't know what to do with them." I said, "Well, Judge Brown will know what to do with them. Just give them to her." So that's kind of what we did. And she said, "Well, I'm not accepting them." I said, "Well, you don't have a choice but to accept them. I served you." And I just turned and walked out. So anyway, David's having some fun.
Done.
Yep, David's having some fun with the paperwork. So we'll be back, I know, to see what happens here. I'm sure it's going to be brought up in court here later. So, but that's about it, everybody. All we know now is that we're going to continue with court again on the 14th of February for the 7 defendants here. So everybody have a good evening. God bless, and I'll keep you updated as much as I can. Thank you.